Johar everybody, welcome back to the channel. You are watching Little Miss Plamo videos and this side your Sonam. So guys, after long time I'm again here with lot of experience and new questions and as well ideas. So without any delay, let's start the videos. So guys, we all know that recently Air India Express has started conducting interview in different places. So there was an interview of 8th of August in Guwahati of Air India Express interview. So one of my best friend, I can say she is my best friend. Her name is Preeti and she went for the Air India Express interview in Guwahati, and she shared her experience and the round and the candidate and the question answer. So I thought I should share with you all guys, because you are you are so motivated, positive. When I received positive compliment and comment, so I cannot control myself to share with you all guys. So um, I was thinking to go for Air India Express in Guwahati, but due to some reason I couldn't able to go there. But she went and she shared her each and everything what happened with her on during interview and the question answer, each and everything. So first round, as we all know that first round of Air India Express, they conduct first round BMI round, like height. They check your, they do check your height, weight, and your BMI score and all. But in Air India Express, they in first round they will check your height, weight only. If you are in your BMI, they will consider you. Otherwise, they will not consider you. So for Air India Express, height requirement is 157 centimeter for girls, and weight according to your height, and BMI of course according to your height, weight. So she cleared her first round, which we call BMI round, and second round, or your second round would be the personality check. And in second round they will check your personality, your grooming, your makeup, how you apply liner, lipstick and everything in grooming. And simultaneously they will ask you some question, like very major question: why do you want to become cabin crew, and tell me something about yourself, and why should we hire you, and why only Air India Express. These questions they will ask you surely. So please prepare for if you are preparing for Air India Express, then please prepare these question as well. So the time of her when she went for her second round, the question was why Air India Express only. So because she said already, no, first question was tell me something about yourself, and in introduction she mentioned in her introduction that I am experienced for these kind of interview and I have given before. So that's why the HR was asking these type of question to her, that why only Air India Express. So she cleared her second round as well, and they do check your scar like this and this. If you have little bit scar in your hands, your face, they will not going to consider you. You know why? And so I'll tell you one thing, that it's completely it depends on the situation in the on the crowd. Like in Guwahati there was a crowd, 500 girls were there for interview, and if I talk about the Jaipur and the Delhi, so compared to Jaipur, Delhi, these kind of cities, there was very less amount of girls were present there for interview. And she was thinking that yeah, this is quite easy to crack the interview, because candidates were not that much good and that much rush and crowd. So yeah, she cleared her second round as well, and we all know that the third round of Air India Express will be your version test. So in version test, you have to pass the test, and they will give you the link. Through that link only you have to give your test. And in version test you have to got 5 marks or 4 marks out of 6. So it depends on the situation, on the crowd. If in the place there were a 1000 girl and 2000 girl, they will not consider you your 3 marks and 4 marks. You have to, got 5, you have to get your 5 marks at least out of 6. But I have also heard and I have also seen that in Rachi interview, one of my girlfriend got selected, and she got only 3 marks in Boston test. Still she gets selected. Why? Because of the crowd was not that much, there was a crowd 300 or more than 4. Yeah, so it depends on the crowd and the rush. So yeah, so unfortunately she got only 3 marks in Boston test, and the reason of rejection was that version test. She got only 3 marks, and I'm sorry. So what she said to me that if you are going for version test, oh my god, what I'm saying, what happened to me today. Okay, so if you are going for, Air India Express, then please practice those questions. And don't you think, guys, you should practice yourself with the Versant application, because there on Play Store you will get the application Versant test, and you can practice, because once you used to with that application now, this will help you during your interview. So I do practice. So what I asked to her that now I'm practicing on the version test, and the accent of that application and the question is not getting, I'm not getting the accent. So she told me they will give you the link. Through that link, the accent will be not that much tough. So don't worry about that, and you will get very easy question during your interview in version test. So do not worry about that, and please practice on that application. And she told me that if you are planning for go Guwahati, Siliguri for Air India Express, please do not go there, because that time I don't know, guys, like it's my personal experience that everyone has their own opinion, and their own vision, their own eyes to see the crowd, see the movement and the vibe. So maybe she got that vibe, that's why she was saying to me like this. She told me that if you are preparing for Air India Express and interview is conducting in north side, please do not prefer to go. Why? Because they were preferring to choose only northeast girl. So I was like, okay. So she told me that she met one of the girl, and her communication skill was not that much good, but still she got selected. So I feel what I feel that in Air India Express there is a round, version round, third round. Sometimes it depends on your luck that yeah, exactly, because nobody is going to help you and nobody is going to judge you, because you are the one, and your phone, your mobile phone will be there, and you are the one, you have to give your practice. And I'm so sorry, I forget to mention one thing that there was a not round, but in version test only, in third round only, they will you will get the paper for announcement, and you have to read the announcement, both English and Hindi as well. And many people were asking that when we get the paper to announcement, so will that announcement written in Hindi or English? So I'll tell you, like we chat on WhatsApp and the Instagram. So how we chat? KYA kya and HAR, something like that. So in this way you get the announcement paper, and those they want announcement, I'll send you. I have my own channel on Telegram where I got 100 people, and some of girls, we do practice every day. So you can, I'll give you the announcement on that channel only. So if you want to get that announcement, and if you want to practice with me, and not only me, actually my English is not that much good, but I have some candidate, they have like their English is up to mark. So if you want to practice, then please welcome in our channel and in our group. So I'll tell you another thing that many people are saying that I have given multiple interview. I don't know why I'm getting rejection, why. So it's my humbly request to all of buddies that please focus on your areas of improvement where you have to improve, my love. Because before I was not able to speak that much good English, even though I am still practicing. I'm not saying I'm the perfect one and I can communicate with anyone on like that. No, it's not like that. But still, without any hearing the bad compliment, and those candidates, those people, they were saying that you cannot do it, this is not cup of tea, you have many MTI issue and your pronunciation issue. I have accepted the all things that yes, I do have. But as a girl and as a human, I maybe it is a natural part of life that I'm I want to learn some new language and I'm facing these kind of mistakes. So yeah, I do. But I have taken it very in a very positive manner, in a very positive way, and yeah, I'm working on that. And one another thing, that it is my humble request to all of you guys, like I'm seeing you, my sister, my brother, and I want to I want to know my level of English, or not level of English actually. I just want your feedback, your genuine feedback, that your feedback motivate me to become a cabin crew. Because I myself now I'm losing hope, because I have given multiple interview and now I'm thinking that this is quite tough. This is quite tough. So please motivate me, because when I read your comment and your beautiful comment, then I do motivate myself. So yeah, please help me with this. And this is, I don't want to be a celebrity and I don't want to that much subscriber and like, but yeah, I want to you guys improve yourself, and please go and grab the opportunity. Because every airlines is hiring interview nowadays: Akasa, Indigo, SpiceJet, and Air India Express, Vista, Air India. Because this is a golden opportunity, my love. So please go and grab the opportunity. And those candidates, they are just many. I have received many comment that my English is not good, the what should I do? Seriously, you don't know what should you do? You should practice your tenses, your grammar, and do not go that much deeply in grammar. Please focus on those area you have to speak about that. And please prepare yourself to give the best answer to HR. You know why? Because also I have observed one thing, that I was able to give the interview. I could not able to crack the interview. Why? Because my answer was not that much strong. Now I came to know. Because I, like, look, me as a girl, I'm not that much mature girl. So the way I was giving my answer was not up to the mark. Now I came to know that was not way to give the answer. So yeah, I'll tell you, everyone everyone have the perspective, the own perspective to observe the moment and observe the thing. But what I have observed, I've told you in this video. Hope you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this videos, guys. And if you are going for interview, all the very best for you, my best wishes for you. Thank you.